A major attack was averted in Jammu and Kashmir's Samba district, as the bomb disposal squad destroyed explosives weighing nearly 5 kgs found on the international border.
It was early morning when the local villagers saw that explosive that was over 5 kilogram in weight, and that was reported to Jammu and Kashmir police. They rushed their bomb disposal squad, and now it has been disposed by the Jammu and Kashmir police. But the massive explosion that was witnessed during the time when it was disposed using controlled explosion by the bomb disposal squad shows how powerful this explosive was.
The recovery foiled another major terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir.
It was somewhat 5 or 6 kilogram of explosive that was found, and now using the controlled explosion they destroyed this explosive, and they have found only this plate. But how powerful it was, it can be seen with the dig that it has done, with the damage it has done to the place where it was placed. This is the plate that they have found. This was in that explosive, the 5 to 6 kilogram of explosive that has now been destroyed by the Jammu and Kashmir police.
Teams of Jammu and Kashmir Police, Bomb Disposal Squad and Border Security Force successfully dismantled the explosive using controlled explosion.
लोग जो हैं वो खेती करने के लिए भी आते हैं, इसलिए किसी भी तरह का रिस्क जो है वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नहीं उठा सकती। और देखिए कितना जो है वो पावरफुल ये एक्सप्लोजिव था कि आवाज़ जो है वो पूरे इस इलाके में गूंजी है। और कहीं ना कहीं इस तरह के एक्सप्लोजिव अगर ये किसी दूसरे ट्रिगर होता या फिर किसी व्यक्ति के से इसकी जद में आता या कोई व्हीकल जो है वो इसकी जद में आता तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा नुकसान जो है वो यहाँ पर हो सकता था। अभी भी आप देखेंगे तो जो धुएं का गुबार है, एक्सप्लोजिव कितना ज़्यादा प्रभावशाली था वो आप देख सकते हैं। और इसे जो है बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल स्क्वाड की तरफ से कंट्रोल एक्सप्लोजन के जरिए ध्वस्त किया गया है।
If triggered, these explosives would have caused an irrevocable damage. The origin and nature of the explosives is unknown, and an investigation into the matter is underway. Bureau Report for Republic TV.